Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Natural. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a dehydrated hair cream. So before we do that, let's read the word of inspiration from Proverbs chapter 22 verse 2. The rich and the poor have this in common: the Lord is the maker of them all. So in the first phase we are going to use hibiscus water, a cucumber extract, and our emulsifier, which is Dehyquart. So you have to make sure that you combine phase A. Yes, so phase B, we have macadamia oil, coconut oil, rosemary essential oil. So we are combining phase A. So when you combine phase A, you have to make sure that you put it in a heat-resistant beaker and heat it to 80 to 70. Yes, 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, so like we've already heated our phase A, and that is how it looks like. As you can see, like it has melted. So put that aside. At this point now we are adding phase B. So you can go one by one, but I decided to mix phase B together. So we have macadamia oil, coconut oil, and our pathernol. So like all these ingredients are going to moisturize our dry hair. So if your hair is dry and brittle, this hair cream will do it for you. And lastly, we are adding 1% of our essential oil. So actually, I'm making 100-gram batch. So in the description box, I'm going to put the measurements. You can check them out. So we are combining phase B to phase A. And we are getting a blender. You have to blend it. So like you have to blend it until you reach the homogeneous. So once homogeneous, you can stop. So it's homogeneous, as you can see. And the color is really, really lovely. I like it. And so now we are adding in 1% of our natural preservative. And actually this preservative like changed the color of our formulation. So probably I might look for a preservative which cannot deter the color of the product. So our product is ready. And like I couldn't find my pH, so like I did a test off camera and it was 4.5, which was okay. So now we are just transferring our hair cream in about that is how it looks like. Very, very lovely. Yes. So dear friends, are you going to make this cream for your dry hair? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so, and click on that like button if this video was helpful. So I'm going to show you in my next video how you can use this moisturizer.